Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen Android 11 system special for Ford Kuga. Escape 2012 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. It will come with dash kit. You can check this dash kit will come with heading together and this cover is this cover will come with head unit together too. Okay, this come with special harness and this 4G. This 4G built-in 4G antenna and this special canvas box and harness, plug and play, and this 4G antenna. Okay. You can check this front UI interface, and it built 9 UI interface. Let me check. You can check it's here. Navy radio, DSP, amplifier, car information, car type, Kuga. Okay. And Auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then we choose always. And this Play Store, built-in Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi, and you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. And the built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from it. This APK installer. Okay. It's settings. Car settings. Let me check the BAT device. You can check this Android 11 and octa-core, fast chip, and resolution 8GB, 128GB. This factory settings. Okay, you can check this settings like boot logo and others. Others is brake unit. Choose off and reboot the system. It will watching video when driving. Okay, let me choose. You can just choose the boot logo. It's Android 11 system. Update success. You set the boot logo and the other backup camera sets and the other settings in here. Default language. Okay. Let me choose set the setting, car information, sound, and you can choose sleep mode. You can turn on or off. It's fast response. Display, and there 8 UI interface. I will show it later. And let me quick check. You can check this is the HDMI UI interface. Therefore, and then you can change the color, blue, orange, any color you can adjust. Click OK, change color. It's 5, 8, 6, 8. This is okay. It's radio. You can search the radio station. This is DSP amplifier. You can choose always. Okay. Let me show the music. Why it's loading? Bluetooth. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search. You can pair. Okay, connect it, and you can make phone call. Okay, it works with free phone call, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it's Bluetooth, and let me show this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's USB, loading of USB. USB 1. Internal, no video. You can choose a USB. Use DSP amplifier. Sub out. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Our website belsee.com, blse.com. Our website. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. And you can change this built in the AJMA car launcher. You can set the default launcher. Okay, thank you.